Nice. What's your name?
Rudy Hartono.
Rudy Hartono.
Yes. You know legendaries play badminton from Indonesia?
Ah, no, I didn't know that. You? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Iki rombongan iki favorit kula.
Bahasa Inggris pakainya.
Speaking Central Java ya.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Ya, terima
Terima kasih Central Java.
Matur sun.
Matur sun.
Matur sun.
Matur sun is sama-sama.
Slowly. Matur sun.
Matur sun.
Oh yes.
What does it mean?
Thank you.
Ah, thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
In
Okay.
English, matur suksema.
No.
Yes.
I'm learning bahasa.
Bahasa orang.
Yeah.
Neng Central Java.
Matur suk.
Matur sun.
I'm go. Kulo arep lunga. I'm going. Kulo
Kulo
arep
lungo.
lunga.
Kulo arep lungo.
Kalau arep lunga teng Jogja.
Kalau di
What
Bali,
does it mean?
You know Jogja?
Georgia?
Yes.
Nah. What is Jogja?
mirip.
Jawa tapi
Manusia di Bali.
Ton,
Jawa.
gitu.
kultur Central Java Jogja.
Jogja.
Iya.
Is it a city?
Jogja Town. Central Java.
Kita inilah
I don't know about Java.
Yes, Jogja is the capital of
Iya.
Java.
Iya.
You know Yogyakarta.
No, I never done a TikTok.
Iya, pakai HP. Pakai HP-nya mana tuh?
Nah ini tuh.
Oh iya langsung di TikTok kan.
What shall we do?
Orang ngomong TikTok kan, guys.
Slow.
Where do you come from, sir?
I'm
What's your name?
Korean.
Okay,
You know Sarangyo?
I'm ready.
Oh no.
Karmu apa? Asu hancur. Wah, hancur. Ganti rugi. Tapi habis. Oke, guys. Ini apa ya? Review kita hari ini ketemu teman satu penginapan. Apa
I
sih?
didn't know that.
From Spanyola.
Spanyol lah.
His name what? What's his name? Gerard.
I'm not
Jalan
sure
Pique,
about
Jalan
Iya,
Pique.
Gerard Pique.
Good?
From Spanyol. Oke, thank you. Thank you for follow my Oppo ya.
Bodoh apa? Sekarang.
Akun tuh bahasa Inggris oh.
Oh, akun biasa.
Akun, yes. Oke, bye bye.